how you can log in into the Linux server, or you can say Linux VPS from your Windows computer. So there are four popular ways for that. So first way is obviously the simplest way, which is using the CMD. So this is my CMD right here. You can type right here SSH root and @ and then paste your server IP address. Okay. And in case you have different SSH port for server, use -p and enter any port. Okay, but usually it works with this only. So here you enter the password and it will give you login. Okay, so that's the first way and really easy way to the login. The second way is using the VS Code. In your case, if the VS Code is not installed, you can just go to the Google and type VS Code download, and it will show you how to download the VS Code. Okay, in my case it's already installed, so let me just open the VS Code. So once you open the VS Code, if you go here, terminal option is there. Okay, so usually it doesn't show this terminal, but if you go here in the terminal, click on the new, it will show you this particular terminal. Here you do SSH root and paste your IP address like this. Okay, and this will give you access to the your server one more time. This will prompt exactly same thing, the password. Once you enter the password, it will give you access to the server. Okay, so that's the second way for doing. The third way is quite easy. Third way is basically using the extension. So you can go to the extensions in the VS Code, and here you can type remote. Okay, so once you type the remote, it will give a lot of extension, but you need to install only two extension, which is Remote Explorer, which will help us to read the files from the server, and Remote Tunnels. Remote Connection, I guess. Remote Connection. Let me see where it is. I think this one, SSH remote. That's what I think we need, right? Yes, I think yes. So this is the one remote SSH that we need to install, which will do SSH login for us. Once you do, you will get this monitor icon right here called Remote Explorer. You have to go there and click on this particular plus button right here. Once you click on the plus button, it will show the pop-up here. You need to type SSH root at your IP address. Okay, root is my username, by the way, and IP address is my IP of this server. Once I hit enter button, it will show the configuration. Let me hit enter button one more time, and once you do all of that, you will get small pop-up here in the right. Okay, I think the pop-up is right now not visible because of my cam, so let me just move my cam somewhere. Yes, can you see? This is the pop-up. You need to click on the connect, and it will open this window where you need to select which OS is on the server side. It's Linux, so I'm going to select Linux, and now it will give me prompt for the password. If I type password here, it will give me the server access. Not only it will give me server access, it will give me the files access too. Okay, so yeah, this is how you can do the login. And the last but not the least way, which is basically using the PuTTY. So let me show you that too. You need to open the Google, go here and type PuTTY. PuTTY is a software which makes really easy to do SSH login in Windows 7 and all. But on Windows 10 and 11, I don't think so you need a PuTTY. But in any case, like PuTTY is also the way to do login. You can go here, type, download this particular file. Let me save that particular installer in the downloads folder. Once I download this particular installer, I need to install the PuTTY, and in the PuTTY I will get some options. Okay, let me click right here, and this is my installer. Let me click next and install. Okay, the installation might take a little bit time because in your case, if you don't have like right repositories on your server, right repositories on your desktop, then it will take a time to download and install those repositories. Okay, so once the download is completely complete, it will show the PuTTY manual. That's okay. And if I go here and type PuTTY, it will show me PuTTY app. Let me open that app, and this is how it looks. Interface is quite familiar. Here you need to add your IP address. Here you need to add your SSH port. In most of the cases, SSH port is same, which is 22. But in special cases, if you are using some special service, then the port might also change. Then we need to click on the open. It will open the PuTTY connection like this, and it will show you pop up like this. Here you need to click on the accept, and after the accept, it will show login as. So here you need to enter your username. It can be Ubuntu, it can be root, anything. So let me type root right here, and it is asking me for password. So once I enter the password, I get access to the server. Yeah. So yeah, this is how you can log in into the server. There are total 4 ways of the login.